Short answer, treat interview prep for a technical interview like you're studying for a test. Best answer I can give you. And I'm going to go into a little more detail here, but know what you're going to be asked to do the interview. Look at the job description. Be ready to address skills they mentioned and use them. Use the terms they use. Sometimes industry and coding and things may have different words for the same thing. Use the words that they are using. Know how your past and current skills match up to what they're asking about. If there are areas where you're a little light, study up in those areas. If something you have done is very similar and you can draw obvious parallels, be ready to do so. Practice talking about what you have done in relation to how they ask it in the posting. If you know people that do similar things to you, ask them to test you, old note cards, whatever it is. If you're doing a coding, ask one of your friends to say, hey, throw me something, that I need to code. Really make sure you're able to do that. Give yourself kind of time parameters. Here's why I keep saying this. I can't tell you how many times managers have come to me and said they struggled with the answer. They couldn't come up right with it. Most of the time that I get no's on candidates, it's not that they couldn't do the work. It's that they struggled to answer the questions, and it let the manager kind of open the door to wondering if they're a good fit. So you're going to hear me say it. Practice, practice, practice. And again, practice. Really get to know what they're doing. Also, don't be afraid to say, hey, the way you asked the question, I want to make sure I understand it and clarify, because you don't want to make a mistake that could be avoided.